Understanding the gift of time. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and thought-provoking phrase, the gift of time. This phrase holds profound meaning and can enrich our understanding of life and relationships. So, get ready to explore the depths of this expression with us. At first glance, the gift of time may seem like a simple collection of words. However, it's a metaphor that represents the preciousness and significance of time in our lives. Time is a non-renewable resource. Once it's gone forever. Therefore, when someone says, the gift of time, they are often referring to the act of someone choosing to spend their time with you or doing something beneficial for you. It's about acknowledging that the person could have spent their time in many other ways, but they chose to dedicate it to you or a particular cause. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, the gift of time is immensely valuable. When a friend, family member, or partner chooses to spend quality time with you, they are essentially giving you a part of their life that they will never get back. This act of sharing moments together strengthens bonds and shows deep care and commitment. Professional and community settings. In professional or community settings, the gift of time can refer to volunteering or contributing one's time for the betterment of others. It highlights selflessness and the desire to make a positive impact without expecting financial rewards. Receiving the gift of time can be transformative. It can foster deeper connections and understanding in relationships, lead to personal growth and learning, create a sense of belonging and community, encourage mutual respect and appreciation. Giving the gift of time doesn't have to be grandiose. It can be as simple as listening attentively to someone, helping a friend or neighbor in need, volunteering for a cause you're passionate about, choosing to spend quality time with family without distractions. The gift of time is a powerful concept that reminds us of the value and impact of how we choose to spend our time. Whether in personal relationships or in broader community contexts, giving and receiving time can forge stronger connections, build trust, and nurture growth. We hope this exploration helps you cherish your time and the time others share with you. Remember, time is the one gift that, once given, can never be taken back. Cherish it, share it, and make the most of it. Thank you for spending your time with us today.